Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. Today I'm doing a client makeup tutorial, and I did this beautiful soft glam on my beautiful client, and I wanted to show you guys how I achieved it. So if you guys are interested, just continue watching. So first things first, we're gonna start by cleansing her skin. As you guys can see, her skin is very nice and flawless. She's only, I think she's graduating high school or something. So she's really young. She has a baby face, and I was just so excited to beat her face because her skin was just so nice. But yeah, I'm just cleansing her face with my cellular water just to make sure that there's nothing on her face at all before I start. And honestly, ladies, it's really important that you do not skip this step because the face has to be extremely clean, like wash your face clean because you're gonna put moisturizer and things like that on, and you don't want anything to kind of mess up the makeup. Yeah, so right now I'm putting on my moisturizer. This is the Embryolisse moisturizer. This is very popular. It's a very moisturizing cream, and I'm just applying that on her skin and rubbing it in with my clean hands. Once that's rubbed in and it dries down a little, I'm now going in with my primer. I used the Milk Hydro Grip primer today on her skin, and I just applied that on the areas that normally get oily, like around her cheek area, on her forehead, and things like that. And I thought I was going to do eyebrows first, but her eyebrows are pretty nice, so I went straight to foundation. For foundation, I used a NARS foundation, and I think I mixed two colors to get her shade. And you know, you always want to just match the neck. And yeah, I think this shade was like maybe slightly darker, but I like going slightly darker because I fix it with my concealer and everything just comes together. So I'm applying her foundation right now and just tapping it in with a foundation brush and making sure that everything is nice and seamless and smooth. Next, for concealer, I took my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the best concealer that I've had in a while, and I just applied that underneath her eye. As you guys can see, I apply it in a different way now. I don't apply any concealer in the middle because it does tend to crease a lot in the middle. So literally all you need is this much concealer. You don't even need to go crazy with the concealer because once you blend it out, it's going to be enough. So I'm also applying it on the bridge of her nose, on her forehead, and on her chin area and things like that. And I also brought it down a little bit down her smile line. And now I'm going in with my Black Opal foundation stick, and I just got like a slightly darker shade than her skin tone just to bring in a little bit of color. It wasn't too dark, but it was just enough dark as you guys could see. And I just blended out all that contour. Yeah, so this is basically her contour shade, and I'm just blending that out. And this is a dense brush. To blend out her concealer, I'm using a triangle puff. This triangle puff is like amazing for blending out concealer, guys. This is like the holy grail. It just gives you a nice seamless coverage. Like, you guys could see for yourself, like this is just amazing. I used to use the brush, but now I just use a triangle puff because it just picks up the right amount of product and lays it on your face perfectly. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's just amazing. Right now I'm just blending out her nose contour as well because I did add the Black Opal foundation stick to her nose. Just a little bit though, just to give her a nose contour. And I'm just blending out the rest of that concealer with a brush and my triangle puff as well. Just going back and forth just to see how it looks and make sure everything's seamless. Now I'm going in with my blush. I used the blush from Selena Gomez's line. I forgot what it's called, but I used that blush, and I just added like a little tip and started blending it out with a dense brush. I also like to add it on the bridge of the nose. As you guys can see, it just looks so girly, and like it just looks like you were sun-kissed. I don't know, it just gives that sun-kissed look. But now I'm just setting her concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is in the shade Honey. So I set her face with that shade, Honey, and then you're going to see that I bake later with the regular shade, but I set with the Honey shade. Now I'm just taking this foundation palette that I have. Oh my gosh, I'm going to leave the name of this foundation palette down below because it is just a lifesaver. Like, you get all different types of shades in it, and I'll definitely link it down below for you guys to purchase, but it's just amazing. I just use that just to you know, set the remainder of her face basically. And this is what I said before. I'm gonna bake her face with the regular Laura Mercier setting powder. This is like the whitest one, and this is really gonna give her like a highlighted look. Next, I'm just filling in her eyebrows a little bit. Like I said in the beginning, her eyebrows were pretty nice, so I don't really have to do much to the eyebrows, like literally. I just filled them in a little bit. And at this point, my camera had died, so I only got like a few clips of me putting on her mascara and her lashes and stuff, but I did the eyeshadow off camera. I literally just added like a light brown to her eyes. Yeah, and it was really, really cute. It was so subtle. I loved this makeup look. Like, it was so cute. But yeah, I did apply mascara and lashes, and this is how it is looking. I just gave her like a nice nude lip, and this is me just putting on the finishing touches, like the gloss. Oh, it was just so cute, guys. So freaking cute. But yeah, guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm so sorry that some of the clips got taken out, but you guys get the gist, okay? This is the soft glam. This is my client tutorial, and yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.